Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Connor Pearson, P87-850 on behalf of Mr. Matthew Hargis. Sorry, please say your name for the record.
Matthew Hargis.
All right, so your client pled guilty to, to the charge of operating while impaired on July the 10th. I referred him for a screening and assessment. Have you had the opportunity to review the report with him?
Yes, Your Honor. There's a couple things I wanted to shed some light on as it relates to the PSI report.
Okay.
So under the page 2, under the drinking style and treatment history, it says he's never been involved in substance abuse treatment. So that's actually not quite accurate. He's had a substance abuse evaluation with Serenity Therapy and Raj Mehta. So I just wanted to make sure that that's correct.
Okay, I'll modify the report in that aspect.
And also, as regards to the recommendation, he's actually already completed Mothers Against Drunk Driving Impact Panel and has actually donated $500 to the program. So I just wanted to make sure you're aware of that.
He donated $500?
Yes, in addition to attending the program.
Okay, well, that's awful kind of you.
And the rest, I just had the rest for allocution.
Okay.
So he's 38 years old. He's a very close relationship with his family. He's a mother, father, 2 sisters. He actually is from this community. He graduated from Southgate Anderson High School in 2004. He's married. He's a father of 1 son, a 1-year-old. He graduated Michigan State University with a bachelor's in science. He does have a criminal offense. He has an MIP and a no tolerance OWI from his time at MSU. But he has since overcame those challenges. He's a certified therapeutic recreational specialist, and he owns his own practice called Semeco Recreational Therapy. Did I say that right? Semeco. And it's actually...
All right, everyone, buckle up. Today's courtroom session kicks off with Matthew Hargis facing serious charges for operating while impaired. Right from the start, his attorney jumps in to clarify some key points on the presentence report, revealing completed substance abuse evaluations and proactive steps like donating $500 to Mothers Against Drunk Driving. But here's the kicker. Hargis isn't just any defendant. He's a Michigan State grad, a business owner, and a therapeutic recreation specialist making a tangible difference in his community. Stick around because the story gets emotional, the sentencing is eye-opening, and the community impact is nothing short of inspiring.
Pretty inspiring, Your Honor. He's really, you really can call him a modern day miracle worker. So he works with people who have had traumatic brain injuries and who have several impacts on their day-to-day lives, and people who have like cerebral palsy and different patients with very debilitating conditions. So one example that I thought was really moving to me. So he had a patient who could barely walk more than 100 yards without a wheelchair. And Mr. Hargis has worked with this person over the course of the year. And at the end of that year, this person was, 92 years old?
No, that was a different.
Okay, so this person, over the year of working with Mr. Hargis, went from not being able to walk 100 yards to walking the whole Mackinac Bridge on Labor Day.
Nice.
So this person, incredibly smart person, incredible asset to his community, and has just been a service to others. As far as the incident that brings us here today, it's definitely a low moment for Mr. Hargis, but I just want to point out a couple of things. He's been cooperative with law enforcement. No one was injured during the incident. He has taken responsibility and accountability for this incident. Like I mentioned earlier, he's already completed the Mothers Against Drunk Driving Impact Panel. He's donated $500 for that cause. He's completed a substance abuse evaluation, and as part of that evaluation, completed a substance abuse education prevention program. He continues to do 12-step meetings. He's had perfect bond compliance as far as his conditions for this court. Also, with the impaired conviction, he will have driver's license restrictions, so it's already taken care of by statute. And so with that in mind, we just asked the court to adopt the recommendation with limiting testing requirements and driving restrictions so Mr. Hargis can continue to serve his community and his patients.
Okay, thank you. Sir, is there anything you'd like to say?
Yes, Your Honor. I'd like to apologize to the citizens of Flat Rock and Gibraltar for putting them at risk on May 17th. I'm well aware of the potential consequences of my actions, as some of the patients that I see are a result of an alcohol-related motor vehicle accident. I'm very sorry for my actions. I'll do anything that I can to make amends and make sure that this never happens again.
Okay, well, all right, good enough. Well, I'm impressed. I'm impressed that you're taking responsibility, and just overall what I'm reading here. I'm going to place you on probation. I'm going to make it for 10 months. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate any law or ordinance. You change your address, your place of employment, or home telephone number. You do have to notify probation. You have to report as directed. No alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal drugs. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume any one of those. Kratom, poppy seeds, and CBD oils are prohibited. Consuming food or other items containing those substances will be deemed a violation. In order that you submit to chemical testing, PBTs and ETGs. I'll go along with that monthly. I'm going to order the victim's impact, but all I need you to do is provide proof. I made a note, attended, provide proof. So you just have to provide us with proof that you've attended that. Go to AANA at least once a week until you're in outpatient treatment. Once you get into outpatient treatment, you don't have to attend AA or NA any longer. I'm going to order 3 days jail credit, 1 serve 2. I'll let you serve those on by way of community service. So 2 days community service in lieu of jail, and I'm going to give you until September 10th. So 16 hours community service by September 10th. $300 in fines, $250 in costs, $75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment, $675. Probation fees are $200 for $875. You have cost of recovery of $150, bringing the total to $1,025, and then you have a screening fee of $60. Your total is $1,085. If you violate, your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for 93 days. You have 21 days to appeal, and you have 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we have $1,085, and you can go down the hall. Can you pay that today, counsel?
Yes, sir.
All right, anything else? Any questions, either one of you? Anything?
Nothing for me, Your Honor.
Anything?
No, Your Honor.
All right, again, I cannot tell you how sorry I am we got out here so late. The meeting just went longer than I thought. My apologies. Good luck. Thank you.
Your Honor.
Thank you very much. Noah Russell. Do we have Noah? Okay, you need time to pay?
Yes, please.
How much, do you have anything today?
No, sir.
When can you pay this?
Can I be given 2 weeks?
Yeah, do you want to set up a payment plan? What do you want to do?
Yes, that's what I was initially trying to do.
Okay, how much can you afford to pay? You just tell me when you can pay it. If you want, we'll set up a payment plan weekly or bi-weekly.
Can we set up a payment plan bi-weekly?
Sure. And you want to start in 2 weeks?
Yes.
How much can you pay?
Can we do 50?
Sure. You pay $50 bi-weekly, okay?
Thank you.
And I'm going to start this beginning. You did the right thing coming in, by the way. I wish everybody would do this. You pay $50 bi-weekly starting August the 8th. If you don't have the money, just call the court. We'll go on Zoom, or you can walk in here on or before the due date. I'll be more than happy to give you an extension.
I appreciate that. Is there a way I can just mail the payments?
Yeah, they'll explain everything down the hall to you, okay?
One more question, Alan.
Sure.
I was wondering, is there a way to maybe ask for the fines and the fees to be taken off?
Do you have insurance now?
No, I'm working on it.
Why didn't you show up here initially? That you had a extra fee. Why didn't you show up?
Initially, honestly, I was not given notification. And
Where do you work at?
I work with the airlines, but it's not a lot of hours.
I'll tell you what, I'll reduce the fines and costs. I will do that for you. Reduce to $185, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck.
Thank you.
Good luck. Thank you.
Do I have to go to the front?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck. Mario Enrique Pereira. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Pereira.
Perfect.
25R 514187. All right. Yeah, I gotta check something here. John, you have to take this back to, who's doing this? Mercure? Is it Mercure?
Yep.
Yeah, you have to have a seat right there, sir. Thank you.
What's wrong?
He needs to tell me whether or not there was an accident. There's an accident, minor injuries, no injuries, minor damage, whatever it is. And Michael Jacob Collins, 25R 514-159. Come on up to the podium. Your name?
Michael Jacob Collins.
All right. Okay, you're gonna plead impeding, right?
Yes.
Who's Latasha Collins?
That's my mother.
Is she here?
No, I ended up telling her to stay home because I was just running here for football practice. So I just told her to stay home.
All right, so you got it. So we need you to, you gonna be able to pay these fines today?
I already paid.
Well, that's posted by her.
Yeah.
It's in her name. She gonna allow you to apply the bond?
Yeah.
She is?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna have to talk to them down the hall to the charge impeding, responsible or not responsible.
Okay.
Do you plead responsible or not responsible?
I plead responsible.
Default judgment set aside, plea is accepted to impeding. 175 is your total. Go talk to them down the hall and they'll tell you how to go about that, okay?
Thank you.
Good luck to you. Good luck with your football, Ray. Cray. Ray and Cray. 25F244329. And could I have seated up here Guy Neely, Jacob Guy Neely? You have a seat up here. Your name, ma'am?
Rain Craig.
You're charged with operating with the presence of drugs. You have the right to a lawyer. Would you like one?
Yes, I do.
Okay, we're gonna set you up with a lawyer. And, you can go out in the hallway and my court officer will bring the file out as soon as he gets here, okay?
Okay.
And then either way, you're coming back in front of me. Good luck. Jacob, Eugene, Dwayne, Guy Neely, 25F244420A and B. Your name?
Jacob Eugene Dwayne G.
We have to stop meeting this way. Huh? You were just in front of me yesterday, right?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
And then when were you in front of me on another case, right?
Yes.
You gotta stop coming in here, okay?
Yes.
I'll give you a lawyer, all right? Okay, you got another suspend or vote denied and disobey traffic control device, all right?
Yes.
All right, go out in the hall, he'll set you up with a lawyer, okay? And either way, you're coming back in front of me, people against Urso. Anthony Jordan Urso, 25R252558. And could I have Gillingham seated at the table, my right, your left? Your name, sir?
Anthony Jordan Urso.
You're charged with assault and battery. You're here for arraignment and pretrial. You have the right to a lawyer. I'll be happy to provide you with one at public expense. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your
Would you
Honor.
like a lawyer?
Yes, please. Your Honor.
Okay? All right. You can go out in the hallway. He will take the files out. He will give them to a lawyer. Either way, you'll come back in front of me, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. People against Gillingham. Jordan Gregory Gillingham, 25F256840. Your name?
Jordan Gillingham.
Did you meet with your lawyer yet?
Yeah. Yep.
Today?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, he's not in here, so I'm gonna have to have you have a seat at that table right there. As soon as he comes in, I'll call the case, all right?
I think these ones might be all Mr. King's.
I think these are all, yeah, that's Mr. Gates. Is Kelly Ferguson here? All right, Mario Pereira, sorry, 25R514187. You can come on up to the podium, state your name, sir. Name?
Mario Brick.
All right, so I had to have him take this back. It says no injuries, minor damage. You're gonna plead impeding, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
I'll accept the plea, dismiss the failure to stop a sure clear distance, 195. You can go right down the hall and take care of that. You're all set. Good luck.
Sure.
Thank you. Ms. Ferguson, did you speak to Mr. Gaith yet?
Yes.
Okay.
I didn't get a hold of him, Judge. It just kept ringing.
Hey, Vince, can you, good, how are you? That boy. Can you, well, John's going out. I don't know if he's getting Mr. Gaith or not. Can you see, Russell up, Mr. Gaith? Yeah.
Now, moving into the financial side, Noah Russell steps up with limited hours and asks for a biweekly payment plan. Notice how the judge doesn't just hammer him with penalties. There's flexibility and clear instructions for open communication. That's the kind of practical justice that keeps people compliant without creating unnecessary obstacles. We also see quick resolutions with younger defendants like Michael Jacob Collins coming straight from football practice. His case handled efficiently with parental support for posted bonds. These moments show how a courtroom balances firmness with practical compassion, ensuring that compliance is possible without compromising accountability. What do you think? Fair approach or too lenient?
And tell him. Thanks a lot. Thanks. Bye. Okay, as soon as the lawyer comes in, I'll call him, okay?
Yeah, no problem. Mr. Gates, over.
Okay. You don't have an Amanda Cummings out there, do you, Lisa?
No, not on Zoom.
Okay. Good morning. People against Jordan Gillingham. Jordan.
Wrapping up today's session, the standout lesson is clear. Preparation, transparency, and proactive rehabilitation make a real difference. Hargis leaves with 10 months probation, strict chemical testing, AANA attendance, community service, and clear financial obligations, a structured but fair resolution. The judge balances accountability with recognition of positive contributions, showing how the legal system can be firm yet constructive. From payment plans to quick arraignments, every defendant's circumstances are carefully weighed. If you found this hearing as insightful and surprising as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.